and how interactions are being made with the industry. We need to create these opportunities for the students. And events like this, yes, a very good opportunity of networking among themselves. And if the people, I hope the people from the industry and other organizations, they will also be visiting their event, and they will have a very good chance of interacting with them. This is extremely important. Then at the national level, yes, Higher Education Commission is taking all those steps. The local area challenge fund, the national area challenge fund, the international level challenge fund, they are now giving grants for the projects which are going to create some kind of generate revenue for the country and help in poverty alleviation in this country. So universities are the places where this new knowledge is generated. All focus is there, all eyes are focused everywhere in the world on the universities, on the academia, because they are supposed to be generating new ideas. Universities are the birthplace of innovative ideas and innovation. So we have to realize the responsibility that we have on our shoulders. We are the ones. I also count myself among you, although I can't be, मेरी age अभी वो नहीं है, लेकिन ये कि I still believe that we all together, we can bring Pakistan out of this difficult time by becoming successful entrepreneurs. My request to Khalid Mansoor Saab would be, Khalid Mansoor Saab, we have a university with 30,000 students, and there are 16,000 female students under one roof. I would request you, urge you, and if you have in your project, which you certainly would have, the researchable areas, then please do contact us. We would be more than happy to contribute at our level. हमें उसकी वो नहीं है, लालच पैसों की नहीं है कि पैसा उसके साथ आए, नहीं. We want to be relevant to the needs of the country, relevant to the projects in this country. So inshallah, we would like to contribute ourselves over there. One thing more. I don't want only the management sciences students to be to become entrepreneurs. Everyone can have the innovative ideas in every field. So I would urge the other faculties of the university to participate in this. I tell you one thing, that day I was walking somewhere in some area, two students met me, और अब ये है कि मैं तो अक्सर को मैं नहीं जानता, लेकिन वो मुझे जानते हैं. सर, आपको याद है, आप एक मर्तबा हमारी लैब आए थे और आपने कहा था कि आप लोग कभी ये मत सोचना कि हमने नौकरी तलाश करनी है, हमने एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बनना है. हम दो साथी थे, हमने जब मास्टर्स किया बायोलॉजी में, तो हमने एक जगह हायर कर ली पिंडी के पास, और वहाँ पे हमने मशरूम ग्रो करना शुरू कर दिया है. और अब हम ट्विन सिटीज़ की ज़रूरियात को पूरा नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, एंड एट द सेम टाइम हम रिसर्च कर रहे हैं हम दोनों इस पे कि हम वो जो रेयर स्पीशीज़ हैं जिनकी वर्ल्ड में बहुत ज़्यादा डिमांड है, हम उसके ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं.